people think off-roading is just a weekend hobby. But at $5 million, this isn't a hobby. It's a lifestyle of absolute dominance. Welcome to RPM Royals. Today, we're stepping inside the ultimate expedition motorhome, a 12 by 12 solar-powered beast that completely redefines off-grid living. Look at the scale of this machine. This isn't built to climb obstacles, it's built to destroy them. Underneath, you've got a custom 12 by 12 drivetrain designed for extreme terrain. And on top, a full solar array powering a massive lithium battery system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a fully mobile power station. Now step inside, and everything changes. The aggressive exterior disappears, replaced by pure luxury. Handcrafted finishes, premium materials, and a design that feels more like a penthouse than a truck. You get a full chef's kitchen, a private master suite, and a fully integrated smart system. You can monitor power, water, and climate, all from a tablet, anywhere in the world. This is complete independence, without sacrificing comfort. And those massive tracks? They give this beast unmatched stability and grip, turning impossible terrain into open road. This isn't just an RV. It's not just a truck. It's the ultimate off-grid luxury machine. So here's the question. If you had this 12 by 12 beast, where would you go first? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want more insane builds like this, hit like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next expedition. Rock it!